Jumeirah is a luxury hotel company, and we've created the world's most luxurious hotel. And we've taken that ethos and we're exporting it worldwide. Currently, we have 23 hotels globally. As a hotel industry, we take a lot of information about our customer. We understand when they travel, how do they book, and what do they do when they are in our vicinities. We use that information to personalize our communications because we understand mass marketing doesn't sit well with our ethos. So we send multiple versions of the same email based on the guest profile. When we target, let's say, for example, a business traveler, we would still convey that same campaign message, but it would be for totally different products than it would be, for example, a leisure traveler traveling with a family. What this means is that every recipient will receive a personalized message that is relevant to their needs. We couldn't have done this without an automated system. With automation, we can do it faster, we can do it better, we can do it more cost effectively. What we've seen from the first month, that we actually increased our engagement to almost 50% open rates. Not only that, when we looked at year-on-year revenue, we're talking about 10% increase just by communicating differently to our customers. One of the things that we measure is the unsubscribe rate, and we've seen there's a decrease in customers who are actually unsubscribing for our communications because what we're sending to them is relevant to them. We spent a long time looking at different solutions, and that's when Microsoft actually came in with a new product that's specifically for the marketing teams. That really made sense to us. Microsoft solution is also on the cloud, which actually help us. It actually gives us the ability to get the data and information anywhere, anytime. But what's more important for us is to make sure that although it's on the cloud, it actually conforms to our guest data privacy. And Microsoft solutions actually adheres to the highest standards of data privacy. I'm very proud to what we have achieved today. We actually know more about our customers. We can serve them better through our engagement channels than we could ever do before.